Hi there, it's Meg again, and today I'm going to be showing off this night shift nurse, keeping them alive until 7:35 digital cut file that's available on my Etsy page. So this is a really exciting digital cut file because it is two colors, which makes such a cool shirt or bag or whatever you're going to do with it. So once you add this to cart and check out, you will be able to download this file. It is a zip. If you need help finding where to download that, if you just scroll down and click here, Etsy will walk you through how to find your download there. So then once you get it downloaded, you will extract the zip file, which here in my description, if you learn more, I have a link showing you how to unzip files if you need more instructions there. Everybody's computer is a little bit different. So then once you get it downloaded and unzipped, you'll see you've got a PDF, a PNG, and an SVG. So I'm going to be using that SVG in Cricut. So I come to the Cricut design space, I open up a new canvas, and then we are going to upload an image. Browse, we'll drag this SVG right on over here. We'll save, and then we will insert the image. So then we can resize this, we can make it as large or as small as you want. And so here I have two different colors. What I did when I made this, I designed this SVG for my mom, who is a night shift nurse, and I made it into a long sleeve t-shirt for her birthday. So what I did with this lighter green color is I cut it out with some sparkly HTV. It would also look super pretty with like a hollow or any color that stands out with all these like little nooks and crannies on it. But you could make it into a window cling, a mug, whatever you'd like. So you just hit make. And then a little trick here, mine splits up the text onto two different mats. So I'll just move the object so that I don't have to cut out three different sets of words. Or if you didn't want to make this two different colors, that's really easy too. You just click that move it all to one, and then space it out, and I could have it all one color. Then we just hit continue and go on. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed that. I will talk to you next time. Happy crafting.